Good morning everybody, happy Monday today. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. It's Miss Moore here again with our lesson for today's phonics. So today is Monday the 1st of February. So we're into a new month today. So we're going to start our phonics lesson today by practicing the spelling of some Year 1 and Year 2 common exception words. So I'm going to read them to you. We've got the word where, many, because, push, Mrs, friend, class and plant. Okay, so there are 8 words there in total. We're going to read them together once more. Where, many, because, push, Mrs, friend, class and plant. Okay, so practice spelling those 8 words and then we can move on to our main part of our learning for today's lesson. So over here we're going to be learning something new today, and I've put at the top of my board, it says some words that have the S sound can be spelt with an S, so the letter S, or S, so a double S. Okay, so here's an example. So you can have the word gas, which makes a S sound, and that has the letter S, or you can have class, class, like the word that you've just practiced spelling, which has the S sound. Okay, so our main focus for today is that we're going to be looking at words that make the S sound, but it's a little bit trickier today because we are looking at some words that have the S sound but is spelt with the letter C. So they are spelt with the letter C. If it comes before the letters E, I or Y. Okay, so our focus for today is we're looking at some words that make the S sound, but they are spelt with the letter C if they come before the letters E, if the S sound comes before the letter E, I and Y. Okay, so here are 4 words that I've got that we're going to look at together. So we have got ice. Okay, so tell your grown-up what letter in that word is making the S sound. That's right, the letter C is making the S sound, and we know that it's got to be a C because it comes before the letter E, so it's ice. Okay, let's read the next one together. The next one is race. Can you tell your grown-up what letter is making the S sound? That's right, it's the letter C. So this is making the S sound. Okay, so it's race, and we know that there's a letter E, so the letter before it becomes a C. It's not spelt R-A-S-E, because sometimes when we're practicing our spelling, you can also look at the spelling to see, does that look right? And we know that this doesn't look right, so it must be that one. Okay, let's have a look at this one. S-I-T-E, city. Now this one is a little bit of a trickier one because I know it sounds like some children might write S-I-T-E because it's making that E sound. Okay, but this time it's spelt with a Y. The Y is making the E sound, so it's S-I-T-E, city. And if you look carefully, the C is coming before the I. Okay, now this one's a trickier word. It's a longer word. B-I-C-L, bicycle. Okay, so it's this C that's making the S sound. Listen again. B-I-C-L, bicycle, because it's not this one that's making a K sound. Okay, and it's before a Y, so it's a letter spelt with the letter C. So over here, you've got some words that you're going to practice spelling today, and they all have the S sound in, but they are spelt with the letter C. So we have got fancy, space, circus, face, cinema, lace, sell, rice, pace, and mercy. Okay, so you're going to practice spelling those words, and then once you've done that, if you have a look at the planning that's on the website, on the document, it tells you that you can look at some words and you've got to put the correct word into the sentences that are on there. Okay, so there are 5 different sentences with 5 different words, and you need to choose a correct word that goes in each of the sentences. So have fun and enjoy.